So if you own an Acura, Honda, or any other type of vehicle, you should bring it to Sterling Acura of Austin for a couple of reasons. Again, the main reason is we're gonna do what's right with you. We're gonna take care of you. We're never gonna try to sell you something you don't need. We're never gonna recommend something that you don't need right now. And if you do have a lot of things that need to be done, we're gonna help you prioritize and do what's right for your vehicle and make sure you stay in budget.
One of the main reasons it's really important to bring your vehicle to an Acura dealer versus any other service center is there's a few reasons. One, obviously we've got the factory trained technicians. I've got all the factory parts. It's gonna be exactly the way it was when it left the factory. We're not gonna put a cheap part on your car just to patch a problem. We're gonna make sure when your car is done, it's fixed right and it's gonna drive the way it did when you bought it. That's the plan every single time. More importantly, when you service your vehicle at Acura, let's say your vehicle goes outside of warranty. You're just outside, or you're 20,000 miles and something major happens. Cars are cars, anything can happen. If you're taking it to a service center, well, it's on you. Whereas if you bring your vehicle here, Acura is gonna know that you've serviced it here, and if you need some sort of assistance, they're not gonna turn your back on you. They wanna keep you loyal to the brand. If they've seen that you've done what you're supposed to do here at the dealership, you've done your part, they're not gonna turn their back. They're gonna make sure and help you out, and they've done it countless times. I've seen Acura help clients out at 100,000 miles on repairs just because you've been loyal to the dealership. You've done what we've asked you to do. Something happened unexpectedly, Acura is going to be there to help you. And I think that's probably one of the most important parts, aside from the loaner cars, which is huge. Who can just leave your car at the shop and not have another car to drive on? Yeah, you can ride share, but that adds up real quick. It's probably going to be more expensive than you would pay by having your car serviced here, and you get a brand new loaner car. And I think that's why it's so important to bring it here.
The reason you should bring your non-Acura vehicle to Sterling Acura of Austin is simply we're a very competitive store. You can price check us with any Jiffy Lube or any other dealership that you'd like. You're going to get the great service, you're going to get great prices, and you're going to get the amenities that nobody else offers. So if you have a Chevy pickup or you have a Ford whatever, you bring it here. Not only are you going to get great service, but you're going to get the airport shuttle, you're going to get the amenities that we offer here, you're going to get a loaner car if you need it. We're going to treat you just like you purchased a brand new Acura from here.
The cool thing about our store is we allow non-Acuras. If you have a vehicle that isn't an Acura, it isn't a Honda, we still service it. We'd be happy to take care of your needs. We're going to treat you just like if you had an Acura. We provide loaner vehicles for you. We source all of our parts from other local stores, and you're going to get, perfect example is sometimes we send our vehicles out for repairs and it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get them repaired versus just repairing them right here. We don't have that kind of wait. We're going to get you in usually the next day. And that's really important to us, is not being so heavily volume that we can get you in and out. Typically same day, if not the next day. That's why it's so important.
I'm Tim Caldwell, Service Director for Sterling Acura of Austin. And if you have a vehicle that needs service, please bring it to me at Sterling Acura of Austin.
Hi, I'm Mitch Glosson. I'm a service consultant here at Sterling Acura, and I invite you to come see me for any car need that you may have, whether it be a simple oil change, a detail, a major mechanical repair, whatever you need. I invite you to come see me. I'll be happy to take care of you.